What's up, y'all? It's D-Block, and I think I want to do a 2025 4K remake video of this my grandmother's 52-inch anti-brass Hampton Bay Landmark Plus cylinder. Now, this fan's been here for forever now. I'm not sure when it was first put up, but don't ask why what happened to the other pull tank, because I don't know. Don't ask why. So, anyways, I think it's versatile medium oak to walnut blades. Alright, this light right here. Here's low. There's low. Yeah, I think it's got a big back capacitor. That's why it's probably running so slow. So yeah. Yeah, I believe it's made 2007 or 2003. Or 2002. It's a possibility. Yeah. Here's medium. There's medium. Yeah. This fan was purchased from Home Depot. I know. Yeah. Here's high. Yeah, it do kind of wobble a little bit. You can barely tell. Let me see. Yeah. Let's roll with the light off. Alright. Hand reduce spin down. Yeah, this fan has been here for a very long time. This is the only fan that's never been changed. Especially the Hampton Bay Grading 2 in that bedroom over there. In my aunt's bedroom. But yeah, so yeah. This fan's been here forever. I'm not sure, yeah, when they put it up. Yeah, but I know this is a Home Depot ceiling fan. Yeah, I might be having one of these in my dream mansion one day. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah. It's how to do a little spin down. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it's been a while since I made a YouTube video. I know. We decided to visit my grandmother's on my mom's side, so yeah. So yeah. I know it's been a long time. Yeah, it is hot in here, but I'm just doing a video of the fan. After this, I'm going to put it on high speed because I am hot. So yeah. Alright, let's go to high speed. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah. The reason why I put it on high speed because I'm hot. It was off at first, so. And there you guys have it. This is my grandmother's 52-inch anti-brass tape and Landmark Plus ceiling fan. Thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy. Peace out.